Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you connect an MSI monitor to MacBook Air or Pro. So here are a few quick fixes on your USB-C, HDMI as well as its resolution. Step 1. Check the ports. Most newer MacBooks use USB-C or Thunderbolt ports. Check whether your MSI monitor has HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C. Step 2. Get the right cable or adapter. USB-C to HDMI cable or adapter. This is for HDMI monitors. USB-C to DisplayPort cable. This is for DisplayPort monitors. USB-C to USB-C cable if the monitor supports USB-C video input. Step 3. Connect the monitor. Plug the cable into your MacBook. Connect the other end to the MSI monitor. Turn on the monitor. Step 4. Select the correct input. Press the monitor's menu or Navi button. Go to Input Source. Select HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C, whichever you are using. Step 5. Configure display settings on Mac. Click the Apple menu and go to System Settings. Select Displays, and from there you can choose Mirror Display to show the same screen on both displays. Use as Extended Display for extra workspace. Adjust the resolution and arrangement if needed. Step 6. If the monitor is not detected, unplug and reconnect the cable. Try a different cable or adapter. Restart the MacBook and monitor. Make sure the monitor is set to the correct input source. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.